How to allow camera access to Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have not given the camera access to Snapchat, there are two methods by which you can allow it. First of all, if you launch your Snapchat and have not given camera, you will see an interface like this. So you will just have to tap on this turn on button, which will give you another page. From here, you have to either select while using the app or only this time. This is one way to activate or allow the permission. However, if this is not available in your device, another way out is head over to Snapchat, long press it, and go to app info. Then, after, you'll have to tap on permissions and scroll down to not allowed section. Search for camera and tap on it. Tap on allow only while using the application. Once that is done, and if you relaunch the Snapchat application, the camera access should be available. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.